In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make your Roblox more faster without any lag. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Roblox, and as you can see, this is one of the servers. Go to the top corner, click on Roblox settings, and then click on settings, scroll down, and now go to the graphics mode, make it on manual, and the graphics quality, make it on 2% or 1, like this. And after that, all what you have to do now is go to leave the server, click on leave, and now go down here, click on those three dots, and go to settings, go to privacy, and all what you have to do here on this page is make the communication here off, like this. And yeah, very easy and fast. And after that, all what you have to do is just restart Roblox and it's gonna be working for you well. See you later in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.